Good morning, good evening to each and everyone, especially those on the other side of the world. There is no time and space between us. There is only this present moment and we are one. We are now on diary entry number 983. Today, the majesty of God enveloped and transpierced my soul to its very depths. The greatness of God is pervading my being and flooding me so that I am completely drowning in His greatness. I am dissolving and disappearing entirely in Him, as in my life source, as in perfect life. Ang karingalan ng Diyos ay bumalot at tumagos sa aking kaluluwa hanggang sa kaibuturan nito. Pinuspos ng kadakilaan ng Diyos ang aking pagkatao at binaha ito ng awa. Kung kaya lubos ang aking pagkalunod sa kanyang kadakilaan. Ganap ang aking pagkawala at paglaho sa kanya. Na tulad ng pinagmulan ng aking buhay, na tulad ng isang perpektong buhay. Cloud 9 na naman sa Faustina. She was having a very deep session, I'd say, with the Lord, who enveloped her with so much love, and there was eternal bliss. Ang siguro talaga na-intriga na how does it feel really to feel the real union with God. Parang hanggang saan kaya talaga yung feel mo na saya, no? How is that different from the earthly bliss that we experience? Because it is many times deeper, many times greater. Yung parang sabi nga wala nang hanapin pa. You will find it very appealing that you never would like to go back to where you should be at the moment. Really such a great gift from God. But again, how do we attain that? We need to develop our prayerful life, spiritual life. We need to read more of God's words and yung mga salita niya mas maintindihan natin. We need to do really a great deal of goodness para wala nang maiwan sa sarili natin. Yung lahat ng worries natin, the back of our mind, no? Mga lahat ng worries na yan, kailangan matutunan natin mawala din. Because by that time, our trust in the Lord is already 100% that whatever we do, whatever we say, whatever we feel, sa buong araw, lahat ng yun, wala na. Hindi na natin mapapanagahan sapagkat nakita na natin kung ano ang mas mahalaga. Actually, nabibili yan. There are people who would really use the resources to find Jesus. They would attend so many conferences, healing, lahat yan. So this is kind of a spiritual investment. Katulad ng isang batang mangangalakal na ibinenta niya ang lahat. Ibinenta niya ang lahat para lamang makita ang tunay na perlas ng buhay niya. And he was able to find it. Seek and we shall find. Kailangan nating hanapin. And we really need to aspire for this. Do not aspire for this when we have already crossed the border. Ngayon pa lang, napakagandang maranasan na natin, and I wish we would all be one in dreaming for this. Again, hindi naman masasayang ating mga karanasan. Habang tayo nabubuhay pa, hindi naman mawawala yun. Lahat ng karanasan na yun, we will all be taking them when we cross that great abyss. So, upang matawid yon, we need to be very light para makalipad tayo. Otherwise, yung paa natin hindi makakaalis sa pagkakaapak sa lupa because we are still connected on earth. But if we have already disconnected all our relations to earth, pabalik-balik tayo dyan, pupunta tayo dyan sa kabila. Natatawirin natin yung great abyss. And the only way to cross this great abyss is by the help of an quote-unquote airplane. No? Tatawirin natin sa pamamagitan ng pagsakay sa isang sasakyang pangkalawakan. But that's just a figure of speech. No? We really need to be very light. Wala kang bit na suliranin. Walang bit na namang regrets. All those things, iiwan mo eh. Kasi kung di mo siya iwan, makakapagpabigat sa iyong paglalakbay. Hindi ka naman papasanin ng anghel. No, you will have to walk on your own. Gagabayan ka lang. So, dapat marunong tayong mag-leave. No? Iwanan ang kung anong makasasagabal sa ating paglalakbay patungo sa Panginoon. Let us continue to search for that. Pinatunayan ni Faustina kung ano yung maaari nating maranasan. Ipagpatuloy lang natin. And may we all be flooded with the love of God, which would be very beneficial for us today as we do our work of mercy. As prerequisite, every day. This is a prerequisite for us to enter heaven someday. And when we do that, lahat ng kung ano meron tayo, iiwan natin sa pintuan. Papasok tayo sa pintong iyon na magbubukas sa atin sa panibagong yugto. May we all be blessed.